Hi everyone, welcome to this Lyniam presentation. Before I show you how Lyniam works, I want to show you what Lyniam produce. Because these kind of magnets usually take months to be produced, but with Lyniam you can make this in only 10 minutes. A lead magnet can take several forms. It can be a template, an Excel spreadsheet, or many others. Our solution generates ebooks with meaningful information that capture leads and convert them into sales. For example, I created a fictional company called Tienda Gorila, an invented marketplace for books. The created magnet informed the dog's owners about how to prevent a dog disease called leishmaniasis. And the main idea is to explain the prevention possibilities, including products and vet appointments. Based on the provided information, our solution generates automatically the document, including the structure, the content of each chapter, and images, without the intervention of writers, designers, or agencies. And this was generated in less than 10 minutes. You can see here, you have the cover page, you have some information regarding the author, an introduction explaining what will be present in the document, some information regarding the important information that you want to share, and in the end, a call to action and the information about Tienda Gorila in this case. Of course, the final version needs to be revised by a human to prevent any formatting issues or wrong information in the document. Also, to get access to this document, the system creates automatically the landing page where you can define what kind of information you want to capture from your leads, okay? And validate also if the mails that you are putting here is a valid mail and not a temporary mail. But to generate traffic to this page, the solution also creates social media content. For example, this carousel to upload to LinkedIn or Facebook, talking about the problem, and in the end with a call to action to download the book. This is another example. This is another one. But let's go to check how I generate this ebook in less than 10 minutes. Before I start to create a new magnet, it's important to go here to the settings and configure the information regarding the company name, the company logo, and also the company description. This information is important to the system generate meaningful information related with your company. After this, you can here go to the option campaign and select new campaign. First, you need to select what will be the template for the landing page. Let's go to select the model. Then the template for your book. Let's select the electric. Then you need to define here the campaign name, the campaign description, select what language you want that your magnet be written, the theme for your ebook, and the objective of this ebook. To ground the information in real sources, it's better to put here some links from blogs, or in this case Wikipedia. You can put until 3 different links. And also upload a document where you have collected some information that you want to share in this ebook. Also, if you want to ground your information that you put in the book only in these sources without use the general information that have the AI, you can select this option. And then after this, the ebook is ready to be created. In this moment, the system is creating the structure. For each of the chapter is creating the content. It's also defined what will be the prompts to generate each of the image associated to each chapter. And in the end, make a revision of everything to be current. In some cases, this spends some more time to be generated, and then we need to wait, but we need to go to another page and then back. In this case, it was fast. This was already generated. You can see here the content that was generated, all the chapters. For each chapter, if you press here, you can generate the image and you see what is the test, the prompt suggested to generate this image. And in the end, you can go for all the chapters, create the image or ask to generate the image or upload the image if you already have this image to the document. You can select the test, change the set test as you wish, also ask to regenerate this test. And then when you already have the document finished, you can ask to generate the PDF. The generation of the PDF will take some time again. You need to revise again this document, this generated PDF, if you are okay with information there. And then when you have the PDF revised and you agree with all the information that the format and all the information is there, you can approve the document. After approval of the document, you can configure the landing page. In this case, you can define what will be the headline, subheadline, or the text in the button call to action, or the text explaining what is this ebook. You can again change the template and select what are the fields that you want to put in the form. In this case, for example, I want to add here the phone number. And in the end, save this. Back to the main campaign. Here, you can define what are the next steps after you capture each lead. For example, notify you via email, use a webhook to collect the information, and coming soon, an AI agent to call to your lead, or integration with popular CRMs or email marketing solutions. You can activate the campaign. And in this case, you will have a landing page that is running and ready to collect